How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be doing an overview of the Kobalt 24V Brushless 1/4-inch Impact Driver. I picked this thing up from Lowe's today, actually, for $99. It is on sale. It was on sale from $149, and I got it for $99. So for $99, this is everything that you get. You get the Impact Driver, a 2.0 24V max battery, followed by the battery charger. You get a few bits and the belt clip with a fancy handy dandy little carrying bag. First, you get your battery gauge right here on top of the battery, followed by your single LED light. You have your speed 1, 2, 3. And then over here you have two different modes. You have your finish and self-tap mode. Bolt Brushless 24V 1/4-inch Impact Driver. That is the KID 124B-03. 1,000 inch-pounds of torque, 0 to 3,100 RPMs, 0 to 3,800 IPMs, impacts per minute. Your length is 5 1/4, width is 2.87, your height is 8 1/4, weight 2.4 pounds, warranty is 5 years for the tool and then 3 years for the battery. I have a one-handed bit operation, bit insert, so you don't have to use both hands to do it. Just clicks right in like so. So for starters, we're going to start this off with some 5/16 by 3-inch construction screws. We're going to start it off in low mode. Followed by medium or 2. Followed by high or 3. So something else I'd like to point out. So if you go to one of the different modes, like the self-tapping or finish, it does not let you select anything else. This is its own separate mode from the other power settings. We're going to go in finish mode, and what this does is basically it's supposed to finish the screw flush with whatever surface you're going into. Well, it's supposed to. It did not really work very well on that. Next up, we're going to be using a 3/8 drill bit. We're going to be using a 1 1/8 spade bit or paddle bit. Followed by a 5/16 by 10-inch construction screw. Next we have a 3/8 by 5-inch lag screw. Drywall screws, you got some 1.5 inch, some 1/2 inch, finish mode. It's honestly looks just about perfect. And we're going to try these small guys. On the really itty bitty guys, it sinks. It just absolutely sinks them, but I mean, not a whole lot there to grab. On the 1.5 and 2.5 drywall screws, it done a fantastic job. That one's a little bit high, but that one, and then all these ones over here are the really like 1/2 ones, and they're just not enough to grab before it just punctures through the drywall. Alright, so here we have some, it's 20 gauge metal for air plenums, build your own air plenum. So we're going to use some Tex self-drilling lathe screws, 3/4 inch. We're just going to go right through this little channel right here and screw it down to the 4x4. That was just regular mode. So now we're going to try the self-tap mode. Your thick in turn is 0.03 inches thick. I'm sure there's a gauge size for that out there, and I don't know it off the top of my head. Metal roofing screws in the regular mode, and then also in the self-tapping mode. So that was regular. Now we're going to go to self-tap. Overall, this impact, it does everything it's supposed to do. I've not had any issues with it. I didn't run into any issues with it when I used it and all those little test modes we did. I will say one thing, and I'll have to do this in another video when I do the torture test or something along those lines. From what you guys saw in this video, that's as much as I've used it. Like I said, I just bought it today, and that's what so all the use that's done was in that video. And I will say by the end of all that testing, it was getting very hot to the touch, to say the least. And I did a little bit scared for the longevity of this thing. But on the flip side of that, 5-year warranty. So if it does burn up, I'll go replace it. And like I said, it still operates just fine. Just I noticed when I was using it and grabbing it like this, it was getting hot. Almost too hot to grab anymore without a glove on. Usually go for 150 bucks, but you can get this on sale, and it's on sale till the 30th, August 30th, 2023. So I think if you can get it on sale for $99, I think it's well worth the money. If you like the video, if you guys could, just let me know something I can improve on so I can get these videos better and better quality for you guys. That being said, I'll end the video there. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.